Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We have started this channel to discuss the CBSE syllabus of class plus 2. Topic by topic we will cover up the whole syllabus as per the guidelines of CBSE. I have also created a blog regarding the preparation of students for All India Senior School Certificate Examination 2021. The link is on the screen. You can also check my blog for various posts. Let us discuss the syllabus first. This is my first video. I hope you will all enjoy all these videos and content. I will try my best to procure the authentic videos and material from CBSE or other websites or my own prepared material. Be with me, like my video, share my video, and please subscribe. So let us have a look at the syllabus first. Friends, this is the syllabus for class plus 2 year 2020-21, subject code 3001. As per this syllabus and paper pattern, there will be total 100 marks for this English core paper, and these 100 marks are divided into 80 plus 20 marks for ASL, assessment of speaking and listening, and 80 marks are for paper. Total marks will be 100. For these 80 marks, there will be 3 sections in the paper. Section A, comprehension section. Section B, writing section. Section C, that is literature, textbook and supplementary reader text. We have a Flamingo book as our textbook and a supplementary reader, that is Vistas. So section A will be of 20 marks, section B will be of 30 marks, and section C will also be of 30 marks. Total marks will be 80 for this written paper. Let us have a look at the paper pattern. What will be the paper pattern, how the questions will come, and what will be the weightage. This is section A. Section A will be of 20 marks. There will be 2 questions in all, question number A and question number B. Question number A and question number B. Question number A, there will be an unseen passage of 800 to 900 words. The passage could be based on some factual descriptions, descriptive passages involving opinion, argumentative, persuasive, interpretative. Then the passages could also be literary passages. This is very important. It could be drama, fiction, poetry, essay, or biography. It means any kind of literary text could also be a comprehension. From this comprehension, questions for 12 marks will be asked. Out of these questions, 5 questions will be multiple choice question for 1 mark. Next question, question B. This will also be based on a passage. The passage will be of 400 to 500 words. It will be shorter than the earlier one. This will be for note making. First you have to make notes, then you have to make summary. This is all about section A. Next comes section B. Section B is also of 30 marks. There will be 4 questions in all. Question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Question number 3 will be based on advanced writing skills, which are advertisement, notice, poster designing, writing formal and informal invitation, and replies. Out of these 4 or 5, 2 will be given, and you have to attempt only 1. The question is of 4 marks. The important thing is this is short answer type question, and the word limit is 50 only. In 50 words only you are to write the answer. Next comes the letter writing. There are three kind of letters prescribed in our syllabus. First kind is of business letters, making inquiry, complaint, giving information, supplying orders, sending replies. Then letter to editors and application for job. Then question number 5 and 6. For question number 5 and 6, 4 options are given: article, debate, speech and report. Out of these four questions will be there and you are to attempt 2. It means that for question number 5 there will be 2 questions. Out of these 4 you are to attempt 1, and then question number 6, 2 questions will be there from these 2. It is not necessary that there will be an option between article and debate, or speech and report and article. Any question could be asked. So out of these 4, 2 questions you are to attempt for 20 marks, 10 marks each. Next comes section C. Section C is of also 30 marks. That is based on the textbook and supplementary reader. Question number 7 is divided into 2 parts, 7A and 7B. Question number 7A is a stanza from the poetry section. From that stanza, questions will be there. Short answer type question for 1 mark. And then in 7B, there will be a prose passage. Small prose passage will be there from any chapter from your textbook, that is Flamingo. And questions will be there, and you have to answer the question for short answer type, 1 mark question. Total questions will be 8, and each question carry 1 mark. Next comes short answer type question for 2 marks. Out of 7 questions you have to attempt 5. Questions could be from prose, drama, poetry. Prose, drama, poetry means from Flamingo, vistas and poems. From all these areas, total 7 questions will be there, and you are to attempt 5 questions. Short answer type questions will be there. Next comes question number 9 and question number 10. These questions are from Flamingo and vistas. One from Flamingo, one from vistas. You are to attempt. 2 questions will be there for question number 9, and 2 will be for question number 10. And you are to attempt only 1 for 9 and 1 for 10. The answer limit for these questions is 120 to 150 words, means long answer type question. So this is the paper pattern. All 10 questions will be there, 2 in section A, then 4 in section B, and 4 in section C. The books prescribed for your syllabus are Flamingo and vistas. All the chapters are included. You can see here, no chapters deleted as it was earlier. Some chapters were deleted. Have a look at the chapters. The chapters are the last lesson, Lost Spring, Deep Water, Rat Trap, Indigo, Poets and Pancakes, Interview, Going Places. All the chapters are there. Next comes the poetry section. All the 6 poems are there. My Mother at 66, An Elementary School Classroom in Islam, Keeping Quiet, A Thing of Beauty, A Roadside Stand, Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. And in vistas, total 8 chapters are there. Actually, there is a misprint in the CBSE curriculum. These 2 are the part of this chapter number 8. So chapters are the 3rd level, Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth, The Enemy, Should Wizard Hit Mummy, On the Face of It, Ivan Stri's O level, Memories of Childhood. And in this chapter, Memories of Childhood, there are 2 sections. First section is Cutting Off My Long Hair and We Too Are Human Beings. This is the detailed syllabus and paper pattern for the All India Senior School Certificate Examination 2020-21. So friends, I hope that you may have well acquainted with the paper pattern and syllabus. This is the whole syllabus I have shown you. We will take up all the aspects of your paper as according to the CBSE pattern. You can also check my blog for more details, more videos, more enriching material. Enrichment material will be provided in PDF or in Word format, or you can also print my blog as well. Please subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. जय हिंद, जय भारत.